Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a Patreon page for recurring income. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create a Patreon page for recurring income, you need to simply go to Patreon. Once you go there, you need to register for an account, complete the basic profile setup with your name, images, and bio. Now you need to create tiered memberships, level with exclusive benefits, and then simply publish and promote your page across your other platforms to attract patrons. So, by following this simple and easy step, you can register with the help of basic information, promote your Patreon page, and then you can simply announce it in all the social medias and have a page created for recurring income. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next upload. We will be back again really soon.